Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Out for sale today, the CLA 250. Vehicle's in nice shape, black on black, really beautiful condition. It's got about 100 on the clock. Really great shape overall. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll show you panel by panel the condition of the vehicle, so you can see exactly what it is. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout, really great condition. Front bumper's in good shape, really nice shape overall. Look at that, very nice. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in good condition. Does have a couple scratches here, and also it has some touch up here and here. Besides that, looks good. Overall in good condition. All right, let's take a look at the fender. Fender on the passenger side looks good, clean throughout, really nice condition. Take a look at the front passenger side door. Door looks good, very nice shape. Has a little touch up right there. Rear door on the passenger side, very nice condition, clean throughout, looks good. Also, a little bit of touch up right there. Quarter panel on the passenger side looks good, really nice condition. Rear bumper has a mark right here, scratch right there. Also has two scratches here in the back. Besides that, looks good. Rear lights are in good shape, very nice condition. Take a look at the trunk. Trunk looks good. Another small little blemish right there, and a tiny little dent here on the quarter panel. Besides that, looks good. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good, very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side, good shape. Does have a touch up here. Besides that, looks good. Front door on the driver's side looks good. Has some touch up here. Besides that, looks good. Mirror has a couple little scuffs down here on the bottom. Glass is in good condition. Really nice condition here. It's got some wear and tear on this panel here. All these cars generally have that problem. Roof looks good. Very nice. Rear glass is in good condition. Really great shape. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty much our walk around here. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look for interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, very nice shape. Really great condition throughout. Take a look at the controls, very nice. It's got a power hatch release there. Very nice condition. Take a look at the driver's seat, looks brand new. Very nice shape. Clean throughout, looks good. Floor mats are in good shape. Steering wheel looks good. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Very nice. Okay, take a look at the front. Passenger side door panel, beautiful shape throughout, very nice condition. Looks really nice. Look at the controls, beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful condition, looks really nice. Really great shape. Really nice condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Looks really nice. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Really in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in great shape. Really nice condition. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the interior of this one. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Lock unlock. Power trunk release. Let's go ahead and start it up and panic. Press the brake. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple features on this one. Let's start out with the mileage. This one has 116,303 miles. Okay. Clutcher looks good. It's in good shape. Very nice condition. RPMs, miles per hour, fuel, and temperature. Really nice. Okay, here we go. Got a couple buttons here for settings here on top. You go through that. The range, econo, mileage. We'll leave it on mileage for now. Take a look at this here. This is for the Bluetooth, for the radio. Paddle shifters on the steering wheel in case you want to drive it manually. This is to put it in drive or whatever. Really nice. The wipers, power locks, power mirrors, power windows, power seats in the front, memory seat for the driver. Really nice. Automatic lights. Really in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash here real quick. Super nice. Look at that, how nice it looks. Very clean. Really nice. Look at this. Really great condition on the radio. Climate control AC, driver and passenger, 2 zones. A little bit of wear and tear here on the controller, but besides that looks good. Information center controller, also a little bit of wear and tear there. Armrest is in great shape. Let's take a look on here on top. Really nice. Liner's in good condition. Let's go ahead and check out the roof. Bring it right back. Fantastic. Let's take a look up here. Really nice. Vanity mirrors are in good shape. Really nice condition. Okay, let's take a look at the radio here. It's on radio. So we do have selection for media here, in case you wanted to put media. This one still has a CD. You can put a CD in there if you'd like. So that's the change of stations. So it flashes like that on the camera, but when you're looking at it in person, it does not. It's just when the screen is refreshing. So this one does need the navigation little drive. It probably goes to the side here. It doesn't have it. So that's something you got to get. Doesn't have the memory card for that. So go to radio, media. You can insert a CD. Don't have a CD right now. Go back home again. This changes stations. There you go. You can select it that way. Go back again. Media, telephone. You could set it up there. Go back again here. Vehicle information. Fantastic. Go back again. That's all the configuration for the vehicle. You can change things on it. Really nice. Okay, let's go back again. Put it back on radio. Fantastic. So we have heated seats here on both sides. Check it out. That's heated. This is also heated. Really nice. This is the stop and start button in case you don't want it to do that. The climate control AC that we just looked at a minute ago. Cup holder here. There's a control for the radio. Really nice shape. Does have a full set of owner's manuals there. We'll take pictures of those and show them to you. Steering wheel's in good shape. Does have a little bit of wear up here. Overall in very nice condition. Great shape overall. Okay, gonna go ahead and test out the sunroof. I just showed you the screen before, but we're gonna go ahead and open the sunroof now. So here we go. Screen goes all the way back. Then we press the button again. Pops up, goes all the way back. Okay, and then to close it, right, completely sealed. The screen goes back in case you want to leave it like that. If you want to close it, just pull it forward. There you go. Very nice. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to take it for a test drive. Okay, we're all set to take it for a test drive here. We already have it in gear. Let's go ahead and take it for a little spin here. It's pretty quick, feels good. It's got those sensors that let you know on the mirror if there's somebody in the lane next to you, which is super cool. See that right there, it lights up there in the corner. It's really a nice feature. It drives super nice, feels nice and smooth. Really nice and smooth. Look at that. Really great drive. Next thing we're going to check out here is the backup camera, show you how that works, and then that will conclude our test drive. Okay, so now we put it in reverse. There you go, camera comes right on. Then we can see which way we're rolling back. There you go. Fantastic, look at that. All right, that's pretty much our test drive here. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna take a look at the engine and take a look at those tires. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. The cargo area is clean and in good shape. It is missing this little piece that goes here. Down below, good condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in good shape. Very nice condition overall. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks brand new. Really nice condition. Rim is in great shape. Couple marks here and there. Besides, that's a nice condition. Okay, take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in good shape. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in great condition. Look at that. Very nice. It does have some marks on it here. They've been scratched. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire's in good shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in good shape. It does have some scratches on the edges here. Besides that, looks very nice. Overall, good condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire's in great shape. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in good shape. It does have some scratches along the edges here. Besides that, it's in good condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-4 for $31,9046. Or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.